thunderstorms, active weather across our area today, and more of the same can be expected tonight. Even that severe weather risk is on the way, unfortunately. Our high temperature this afternoon did reach 73. This was within the last hour. We started off this morning cold at 36 degrees, 21/100ths of an inch of precipitation today. Also some reports of hail early this morning with those thunderstorms that moved through. Temperatures for most of us on the warm side. For Lima, 73 degrees, at 76 in Sydney. Still chilly to the north in Napoleon and Defiance, but even here temperatures will be warming up over the next couple of hours as we check out the satellite and radar composite. Still a mostly cloudy sky across our area. Some glimpse of sunshine out there, but more cloudy than not for much of the afternoon. Back to the west, there is this cold front, and out ahead of the cold front, a squall line of thunderstorms, some severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings with this line of storms. That's going to continue to move to the east quickly this evening. It looks as though we'll have that chance for strong to severe thunderstorms locally anytime after 8 o'clock or so, and that'll last through about midnight, maybe 1 a.m. So have ways to get warnings this evening as those thunderstorms that move in could have high winds and the chance for isolated tornadoes. So we'll time things out with the Skycast at 7 p.m. Still a mostly cloudy sky, that line of storms off to the west, but 8, 9, 10 o'clock, that thunderstorm line begins to move into west central Ohio. It'll continue for a few hours. After midnight, the activity will exit to the east, and we're left with just some lingering lighter showers by early tomorrow morning. Clouds, a sprinkle or two tomorrow morning, another chance of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder tomorrow afternoon, but severe chances for tomorrow look to be quite a bit lower. Generally unsettled for Friday with more showers. We'll hold on to rain for the weekend as well, with the frontal boundary staying put just to our south for several days in a row. But again, a level 3 out of 5 risk for damaging wind, hail, and isolated tornadoes this evening and tonight. Have ways to get warnings, have an action plan in place just in case a tornado warning is issued. The greatest risk for this between 8 p.m. and midnight, perhaps extending to 1 a.m. or so. Also, that flood watch in effect for our entire area over the next several days with heavy rain on the way. Total rainfall through the weekend, upwards of 2 or 3 inches. So again, enough for some flooding. At least that's a possibility. Temperatures this evening, upper 60s. Late tonight, we fall back to around 60. Tomorrow, highs climbing back into the mid to upper 60s. Shower storms tonight, that severe risk between 8 p.m. and midnight, 59 our predicted low. Clouds tomorrow, some showers out there. The chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. Our high temperature near 68. The 7-day storm authority forecast for Friday, showers likely. Ditto that for Saturday. More rain on Sunday as it turns chillier. Mostly cloudy Monday with the chance of sprinkles and flurries. Very cold on Tuesday for April. We start off in the 20s in the morning, 43 in the afternoon. Sunshine next Wednesday, 53.